What's up everybody, this is Cryptobox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about FaraLand, and you can see FaraLand is a very big project. Off the bat, you already see that there's about 1 million watch list, as you can see here. So 1 million people have this on their watch list, which is a bunch of people compared to like other projects where they're at like 20k, 3k, 5k. Here you got 1 million, so that's a lot. And their token price is $3.16. They've been audited by Certic, so obviously when they're audited by Certic, you know that they're actually pretty secure in their website. They've got a market cap of only 35 million, so a lot of potential on that growing and the price growing. A volume of 1.5 million and circulating supply of 11.3 million, while the max supply is about 100 million tokens. So if you click all, you'll see that they did come out a few months ago actually, so like 4-ish months ago. And obviously that's pretty old. I've seen this many times around my Twitter and YouTube and everything. This is a cool project in my opinion, with all its variety of NFTs. You can see here they're already on a bunch of different platforms, including obviously PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap being the biggest one. And then Binance Smart Chain, good. And this is their Twitter. They post multiple times a day. You can see right here, posting multiple times a day. And yeah, 111,000 followers with a bunch of different platforms and people following this account, which obviously means that people like this project. It's not some bots or anything following them. You can see Binance Smart Chain themselves, Smogs, Dino, D-Rays, Binance NFT. All of these are following FaraLand. And you can see right here, this is their main website. It's on Binance Smart Chain, so if you want to connect your wallet, Binance Smart Chain. You got the biggest war game on blockchain. Obviously, it is one of the biggest games now from seeing how many people have participated into this project. FaraLand has exquisite digital collectibles created using blockchain technology. Each collectible is matchless, genuine, and varies in rarity. The FaraLand universe has a lot of different races like human, orc, angel, demon, dragonborn, elf, fairy, and which are waiting for the user to discover and collect. Last but not least, FaraLand is also a multiplayer RPG NFT game that lets the user engage in the combat arena and profit from battles. Play to earn. So this is a play to earn game, you could say. And obviously it is also multiplayer, which is another really good thing. There's not that many multiplayer NFT games out here in blockchain, and honestly it's pretty rare to see them. So you can see the different NFT characters you could get. So you got orcs, you got angels, you got dragonborns, all these different types. And you can see there's a rate for having this or dropping this for yourself to discover and collect. Their features do include ownership, marketplace, floor price, war games. So obviously the things they mentioned. They've got their roadmap. So May 2021, basically phase 1, hero NFT sales. So they start selling their heroes here, and then their hero marketplace. Then in June, introducing Fara token and IDO, stake Fara to increase heroes level. I'll be talking about that later on. Hero equipment, gacha equipment, vendor, and it keeps going. And you can see that like in quarter two 2022, they want to add like a guild battle, war between nations for resources, pet system with breeding and evolution. Obviously they've got a great roadmap in my opinion. And there's gonna be an Android and iOS version on December 2021, which is really close, less than 2 months, so you could be hyped up for that. They've been backed by all these companies, investors, backers, partners, whatever you want to call them. One of them being BSC Daily, which I know about, and Poca Foundry. So these are like more bigger ones. And obviously there's way more different investors out here. Then lastly, they got Certic audit and a Moonpool audit, I'm pretty sure, with the white paper and all that there. And then their token metrics actually include of being 9.47% goes to liquid and listing, airdrop 3%, game incentives 22%, marketing and partnership 5%, foundation 20%, team and advisor 15%, public sale being 1.28%, private sale being 10.67%, 2% seed, and founding community 8%. So obviously some things here you can see like are kind of crazy. Like you got the public sale being only 1.28%, but it is whatever. They probably managing their tokens and everything quite well from what I'm seeing. And then if you go to their market, you can see they've got their marketplace with their heroes. So number of heroes sold, total volume. So you got like 21,000 BNB that's been like sold and bought around here, with 200 BNB of being the highest price NFT. You got many different NFTs. You can see a bunch of humans. You can put like elf and you'll find yourself some elves. Basically you could find anything around here. So these are the NFTs you could buy. If you go to their staking is actually quite different in my opinion. Maybe it's not different to some people, but you can see if you have like any of these NFTs. So let's say you have this human female level 1 whatever. So you could see people here like they stake an amount of Fara, and once they stake they get a flexible 5% APR. And not just your staking, but you're actually leveling up your NFT. So this human would be actually leveling up over time, and then you'll see the rewards here, experience for leveling up, and you will get Fara tokens. So you're getting 2 things at a time, which is pretty good and crazy. And honestly, I think this is a pretty cool way of, you know, staking and all that. You can see here it's the same thing for now. The lock time will be the same. Level 23 this one is, and basically you could stake your money in here. So that's basically how it works. This is their staking, so I think it's pretty cool. You can if you have anything like owned here, you can click owned, and then you can just start staking whatever you have. And if you want to see what you have staked, click the stake button and you'll see what you're staking in currently. And yeah, that's basically it for the platform itself. And I've basically went over everything, and this is just a walkthrough on their platform and socials and token. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend, and I'll see you guys later.